Hi guys! In this video, we will be setting up macros in Salesforce. Let's give a scenario that most of businesses are already experiencing or might have experienced. Let's say in your company you have salespersons and part of their day in a life is to ensure that they give constant update to their manager, whereby if the lead that they are working on has been contacted, then it is by courtesy to say thank you by sending an email. After which, they will have to create a reminder task that will remind them that they will have to send a status to their manager on the third day. So, what is the business benefit of this? Let's just say that by average, they are working on 25 leads or more per day. Therefore, doing this repetitive task, as mentioned, will definitely burn so many of their time. Therefore, with the help of macro, you will be able to streamline this repetitive task with just few clicks. Think of it as having your own configured bots within Salesforce ecosystem. Now, first steps would be adding macros to the Sales Console App Manager, and we can do that by clicking the Setup. Okay, from the quick find, just type in App. Click on App Manager. Now, let's edit the Sales Console app. And now just click on Utility Items. Click on Add Utility Item button and then type in macro. Click on macros and then just hit save. Now let's open up an existing lead record and let's try to refresh this record. So in here, you will notice that macros has now been added to the record page layout. So you can now set up macros by clicking this button. Click the plus button. And I'll type in the macro name. So let's put in contact lead. Right? You can also put some description. And then this macro will be applied to lead object. Just hit save. Now let's edit the instructions. So in here, you need to add an expression logic or filter criteria that will meet your business requirements. So in here, I'm going to put in status should be equal to working contacted. Just click done. And then in here, you can also preset an email subject or email for this specific lead. So let's just say, let's go to activity and then just click on email. Okay, so for the subject, we can put anything like any email subject that you want. So just click on subject and then put, so for the sake of this demo, I'll just put a random message that will serve as a subject and HTML body for now. All right, so for subject, so I'm gonna put in test macro and then just click on add instruction. Okay, for the email body, test macro email, and then I'm gonna click the add instruction again. And then you just need to click the send button as part of the action. Now let's go to new task. So this will create task record in this particular lead. So for the subject, I'm gonna put in task record, add instruction, and of course the due date. For the due date, you can select a relative date. So let's say you want to put 3 days from today. Click on add instruction. And for the status, we can select in progress. And then just click save as part of the action. All right. So once you're done, just hit save. Now let's go back to the lead record. So let's refresh this record. So let's check the details and make sure that the lead status is working contacted. Now let's try to run the macros that we created. So it's right here. So you just need to select the macros that you just created, contact lead. And then all you need to do is to click on run macro. So it's still running. All right. All right, so it worked. It will automatically send an email and create tasks to this lead record. And you can do this to any lead records without consuming a lot of time. So I hope you enjoyed this content. Thanks so much for watching.